Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share and like. Today we have a 2020 Nissan Rogue with the airbag light on with two codes, which mean that B001 and B002. B001 is stage 2, stage 1 front airbag driver. B as in boy 001 is stage 1, 2 is stage 2, and this car, there is something that's very particular. And also, if you have a code B as in boy 1421, B as in boy 1421 dash, that means the airbag sent signal to deploy. There is a crash data inside the airbag control module, and that could be fixed by OBD2 direct, read, write, clear crash data, or you can send the crash data or the module to us to clear it and put it back into the stage of like a brand new. To do the test, when you have a B as in boy 0001 or 2, the clock spring here, the airbag have 4 wires coming from the airbag control module, and they come into the clock spring 2 to the stage 1. The 2 is to stage 2. So this is a ground, and this is a ground, and this is the feedback. This is the feedback. When the clock spring go bad, or the connector go back, or the airbag deployed, if you like when you fix the airbag, you're gonna get those resistance because the clock spring is here, and when they go bad or the connector go bad, it creates this. To be sure that the problem is not a wire, you need to come here, disconnect this wire. You see what I did here? You disconnect this wire by pulling this piece, the black piece here, back. You see this piece here? Pull this piece back a little bit. You see this piece back, and then you push this one here. As soon as you do that, you're gonna disconnect it. What I did is, you see, the year before this one, it have 4 wires that come to the clock spring, or go through the clock spring to the airbag. Now, instead of each line have its own airbag, airbag line from the computer, now they make only one ground. So the yellow one is ground, and the feedback going to the stage 1 and stage 2. Just put in mind, this new 2020 car, they change the system. They take one wire and they eliminate it. Instead of having 2 ground coming, they have only 1 ground coming to the system, or 1 reference, and then the other one is coming back. Just put this one in your mind when you are working with 2019 or 2018 or 2020 Nissan Rogue. After the clock spring, they join another wire. If you open here, you will get 4 wires. So you wonder what happened, but actually they add 1 wire, they bridge it to this one, just like this. So if you want to test it and you want to be sure that everything is okay, if you do it like this, the airbag light is supposed to go out if you have those 2 codes. So you're not gonna go buy the clock spring $600 or $500, I'm not sure, before you are positively sure that this is the code. Now I'm gonna disconnect those, tape it, and then I put it back here, for example, and then we wait for the clock spring, which you need to take it out by putting a small screwdriver here and push. There is 2 clips here, and the airbag control module will come back, will come out. Thank you for watching.